You wanna be noticed, quit trying to be noticed then. You wanna be first, well you go stand at the very end. You wanna be elevated, it's time you go lower. These are the rules of the kingdom, this how we all begin growing.
Okay, so for this eye, I went ahead and like obviously you can see I did my eyebrows. I put concealer on and then I want to go ahead and set the color. So I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill and I'm gonna go in with Creamsicle. With this color right here, it's Creamsicle. I'm gonna go ahead and just tap on it, and I'm gonna not tap on it like too much down here how I'm doing it. I'm gonna like go ahead and like do it on the crease and like above the crease, because I want, since I'm gonna do the cut crease right there, I want it to like show more. I'm focusing on that yellow color. Show a little bit more. So with this part I kind of just don't tap off the X's on the brush. So you kind of want to like bring it out like a little bit up here. So then I'm just going to start blending, and I'm going to blend going upwards because I want the color to like kind of go up here towards my eyebrow bone. Okay, and it's okay if like it looks all the way down here, you are going to fix that later on. So just make sure you kind of get it up in the brow bone. Like don't get it too up, but like that, you guys see? Because either way, like when you put the highlighter on, it is gonna like, the highlighter will like show. So there's no need for you to be scared of him. Using the Morphe M433 brush, okay? This is from the James Charles collection. I did go in with a brown color, which is the Pukey. Is that how you say Pukey? I don't know how it's pronounced. With this one right here. I'm gonna go in with this M505 brush, and I am gonna like do the same thing. But I'm gonna go a little below, like just like right here. And I want to focus the color when I grab it. I want to focus on just putting it right here, like really packed right here, and then just blend it all the way in, because I don't want it to like be too harsh right here. Like I want it kind of like an ombre, you know. Here's, so again, pack it. You see how it looks right there, right here. I want it like that, and then I am going to start blending, and I'm going to blend it to the front. Okay, so tap more, tap off a little bit, and I am going to, there we go, you see that? And then just blend your way to the front, and do the same thing. You're going to drag it out. Blend it out with the yellow shade, the Creamsicle color. So you're supposed to end up with something a little bit like in the lines of this. Okay, next, with an even smaller brush, which is the M330, I am going to get the shade next to it, which is this red orangey color right here, and that is the shade Hunt. Spun it like 2 times, it's fine. You don't need a lot, and then just tap on it once to get the excess off. And you can do the same thing that you did with the brown. You are gonna just tap on it like a little, like that. Okay, and we don't want like this shade to like be a lot, so obviously just go little by little.
I want to blend a little bit above the crease, because since you are going to cut the crease and it goes a little bit above, you see, and we want like a little bit of color just to show, but we don't want to take the yellow away. And you see the brown kind of like, it kind of like just disappeared, but you're going to go back in with the brown, and you are going to blend.
And then imagine if people did their eyeshadow like this. Let's go, y'all, let's go. Okay, and if you want more yellow, then obviously, you know, like I said, get the yellow. Let's go in with the concealer brush, which is my Morphe M224. This is also from the James Charles collection. This is Professional Makeup Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer right here. You can see I put not too much concealer, but I put enough. And I'm just gonna tap, I'm just gonna put it along the sides of this. And then you're gonna look up, so then you have your line.
For the rest of it.
And for the ends, like right here, when you get right here in the edges, you don't want to put too much concealer because you kind of want it to like blend in with the eyeshadow. Okay, and then with this, I'm gonna grab some more and just like put it like on the tip, like just like right here in the tips of your concealer of your brush. Do this little line. Sometimes I start from like in the back, you know, because it makes it easier for me. If you want to put more concealer on it, you can. This idea from a girl, I saw her do like a look and it looks so cute. I'm gonna look like that. I'm gonna go in with my M166 and I'm gonna get the Morphe palette, the 335F, this one. And I am going to go in, it sucks how these don't have names. I'm gonna go in with this one right here. It's not like too dark or too light. I really like the creamy tone that it has to it. And start off by first just tapping it. This is the M508 brush. I'm gonna go in the same color. I'm gonna put it on the tip like that, and I'm going to fill this little line. You're left with this. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. And then you're gonna go back to your other colors. Ready, orangey, right? Which one was it? Right, huh? Tap on it a couple times. Has fallout. Fine. And I am going to just go ahead and blend these two. I'm gonna go with the brown. What is going on, y'all? I don't know what's going on. He doesn't really want to blend. Brown shade, color, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna blend it out, blend it out. I want to blend it out so that it doesn't look too rough. Grab your highlighter, and I use this. This is my favorite, all-time favorite highlighter. This is the Melani Strobe Light in the shade 2. And I'm going to grab this Wet n Wild brush. No, this e.l.f. brush. I don't know, it doesn't have the name on it anymore, but it looks like this. Just put it right there. Try not to put it too low. Go ahead and put on my eyelashes, my other eyelash off camera because it is hard. I have a lot of trouble with this still. Okay, you guys, so I did go ahead and put on the other eyelash like I said, and I don't know if you guys can help me with this, if you guys wear eyelashes, like, because okay, so the whole point why I wanted to start wearing eyelashes too was because I didn't want to put mascara on, right? And I curl them because I curl my eyelashes so they could go up, but then like it doesn't really blend in with the falsies. So I don't know if you guys can help me with that. Sometimes I do grab the eyelash curler and like curl them together, but it doesn't really like work that much. Or like I grab like a spoolie and then like I try to like blend them in together. And I did put mascara on this time so that they can blend it in, but like this one like still has problems like not sticking the other ones. Okay, so if you guys want to help me with that, thank you, I appreciate it. I'd go ahead and put on some moisturizer, and for that I use this Olay All Complete moisturizer with sunscreen. I'm using this Born This Way by Too Faced foundation. Oh, I lost my sponge. It's Real Techniques Complex Blender Brush. It's the 101. M224. I'm gonna go in with my foundation, grab some, and I'm gonna go ahead and fix the top of my eyebrows. And then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. Oops. And I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I'm gonna put some concealer on. My under eyes, my chin, and my nose in the middle of my forehead. And that Tarte palette right here. And now I'm just gonna put it on my cheekbones because instead of wearing, what is it called? Blush. I do sometimes. Sometimes if I want to put on blush, I do it. I go different of it. The most important part of highlighter. So I use this Beige Cosmetics brush number 4. It looks like this. It's done your shade right here. Put some on. Look at that. I feel like when you have highlighter on, like it just makes you feel like, I don't know, makes you feel like bam, like I am the queen. They're kind of blended in with the rest of the makeup. I'm gonna put mascara. I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Rocket. For my eyelashes up here, I use this Better Than Sex Too Faced. This on. See if I like it, and if not. So this is the finished product right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time we post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.